Good morning, children. Welcome back to online class, history class. Today I am going to continue that Unit 8, Nationalism, Gandhian phase. Okay, Gandhian phase in the sense Gandhian part. Okay. Yes, already that 8.1 over. Yes, today I have the plan to teach 8.2. Yes, under that 8.2, what are the things are given in the sense Chambran Satyagraha. Chambran Satyagraha. Yes. Then Rowlatt Satyagraha and Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Yes, Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. In the Jallianwala tragedy, we are going to learn about it. The General Tyres brutality, otherwise cruelty, as well as Khilafat movement, which was started by Ali brothers, Muhammad Ali and Chaukat Ali. Okay, so those things only we are going to learn today. Under that 8.2 it is given, children. In your book, page number 90 you can take it. Page number 90 you can take it, children. Yes, in your book, what are the things are given in the sense in the first para. Yes, under the heading of 8.2, what are the things are given? I am going to tell Gandhiji's early satyagrahas in India. Yes, in India. Okay, so the first para, what are the things are given in the sense when Gandhiji visited India. Yes, when he visited India, he met Gopala Krishna Gokhale. Yes, Gopala Krishna Gokhale. Okay, so this person, he met, who met in the sense Gandhiji met when he visited in India. Okay, so that time onwards, he accepted, Gandhiji accepted the Gopala Krishna Gokhale as his political guru, Okay, political guru. Yes, sir. So who was the political guru of Gandhiji in the sense Gopala Krishna Gokhale. Yes, Gopala Krishna Gokhale. Yes. So Gandhiji, by hearing the advice of Gopala Krishna Gokhale, he visited, otherwise he traveled. Okay, Gandhiji traveled the length and breadth of the, yes, India, breadth of the country, yes, breadth of our country. Yes, so before involving in politics, in your book it is given plunging, I am telling involving. Yes, before involving into politics, yes, Gandhiji traveled the length and breadth of the country, of our country. Yes, breadth of our country, breadth of India. Yes. Then from his travel, Gandhiji understood the real condition of the people. Yes, see here it is given. Okay, from this, when he traveled throughout our country, he understood the real condition of the people. Yes, people of India. Yes, when he visited Tamil Nadu, yes, listen carefully. When he visited Tamil Nadu, he changed his robes and wear a simple dhoti. Yes, so that day onwards, by checking our farmers' condition, yes, by checking our Tamil Nadu farmers' condition, he changed his costume even. Yes, he changed his costume into a simple dhoti. Yes, so these are the things are given in the first para. Yes, what are the things are given in the sense when Gandhiji visited India, he met Gopala Krishna Gokhale. One word answer. Okay, yes. So, and he accepted, moreover, he accepted Gokhale as his political guru. Yes. So, the next one, what is given in the sense, before involving in politics, Gandhiji traveled. Yes, Gandhiji traveled the length and breadth of our India. Yes, of our country. Then from his travel, Gandhiji understood the real condition of the people. Yes, condition of the people. Then fourth point, what is given in the sense when he visited Tamil Nadu, he changed his costumes even into a simple dhoti. Yes, so these are the things only given under this para. The next para, what is given? Yes, next para, what is given in the sense under that, Chambran Satyagraha. Yes, in the Chambran Satyagraha, what are the Chambran? Is the name of the place where it is located in the sense it is in Bihar. Yes, it is in Bihar. You know the location of Bihar? Is it Chambran in Bihar? Which system was followed in the sense Deen Kadiya system was followed? What is meant by Deen Kadiya system? Yes, which system was followed, children? Yes, Deen Kadiya. Yes, Deen Kadiya system was followed. What is meant by Deen Kadiya in the sense? The European planters, okay, European planters, not only British people, okay, other country people also, Europe, okay, European planters forced the Indian agriculturist to cultivate indigo. Yes, to cultivate indigo. Indigo, what is that? It's, in the sense that is the name of the plant. That is the name of the plant. It's look like that flowers, it's look like a blue color. Yes, the blue color in the sense a dark violet color. Okay, from that, by using that only they used to take the dye. Okay, dye. Yes. So, with the help of that flower, they used to take, yes, that European planters, they were forced, the Indian planters, to cultivate indigo on 3/20ths of their land holdings. What is mean by 3/20ths in the sense? What type of the calculation I am telling children here? 3/28 in the sense 3 by 20 into 100. Yes, which mean 15 percentage of the land holdings, 15 percentage of the land, Indian cultivators, Indian planters should cultivate indigo alone. Okay, they should not cultivate any food crops in those areas. Okay, 15 percentage of the land, they should cultivate only indigo plant. That is the calculation of 3/20ths. Okay, 3 by 20 into 100 is equal to 15 percentage of the land holdings, they should cultivate only indigo. Okay, so that's a thing. Yes, indigo, just before I said, that's a type of the plant. Yes, from that plant, from that flower only they used to take the dye. Okay, it was very famous in the European countries. Okay, so towards the end of the 19th century, German synthetic dyes. What is the meaning in the sense? So towards the end of the 19th century, Germany introduced synthetic dyes in the sense artificial dye was introduced by Germany towards the end of the 19th century. So what happened in the sense? So the natural dye lost its value. Natural dye, the indigo planters, that the natural dye, lost its value. So the European planters of Chambran, what they have to do actually in the sense, they should release the indigo planters. That is, they should release the Indian planters, otherwise Indian cultivators, indigo cultivators. So instead of that, what they did in the sense, the European planters, what they did, instead of releasing the Indian planters from the indigo cultivation, okay, the European planters levied much taxes. They were increased the rent, as well as they were levied the taxes on indigo cultivators. So that, opposition started. So that, what happened? Opposition started. Here it is given clearly, children. Tinkadiya system in the sense, just before only I told what is meant by Tinkadiya system in the sense, the European planters, they were forced Indian planters to cultivate indigo. Indigo is the name of the plant. From that plant only they used to prepare, otherwise they used to make, yes, dyes. Yes, so they were used on 3/20ths, like that it is given just before only calculated everything. So 15 percentage of the land, they should cultivate. They, in the sense, Indian planters should cultivate only indigo. They should not cultivate any food crops in those areas. Okay. So towards the end of that 19th century, what happened in the sense? Germany introduced the synthetic dyes. Synthetic dyes in the sense, what is that? Artificial dye. So that's what, natural dye lost its value. So the European planters of Chambran, yes, actually they should release the indigo cultivators. Instead of that, what they did, yes, they were levied much taxes, as well as they were introduced the amount, yes, much rent, they were introduced, yes, implied over them. Okay, so instead of that, these are the things and all they made, European planters. So that's what, opposition started. In your book, it is given resistance erupted, like that. It is given one word, resistance erupted. Resistance erupted. What is the meaning? Yes, opposition started. Okay, so in your book, it is given, children. Yes, the next, what happened in the sense, the Rajkumar Shukla. Yes, that's the name of the person. Yes, Rajkumar. He was a agriculturist, otherwise farmer. Yes, a farmer, belongs to Chambran area in Bihar. Chambran, where it is? Chambran, where it is? Bihar. Okay, Rajkumar Shukla. It's this man, he suffered a lot, suffered hardship in the sense severely. He suffered severely. So that he invited Gandhiji. Yes, he asked Gandhiji to come to Chambran, to visit Chambran, like that he told. Okay, then Gandhiji, when he reached Chambran, he was asked by the police to leave immediately. What happened that time? In the sense, the police people, they were asked Gandhiji to leave from that place. So when he refused, Gandhiji was refused. No, I never go, like that he said. So at once he was summoned for trial. Yes, sir. He was summoned for trial. So that news, spread like a wildfire, and thousands of the people swarmed. What is the meaning? In the sense, moved. Okay, moved the place in support of Gandhiji. So along with the Gandhiji, more than thousands of people, they were stood. Yes, stood in the sense they were supported Gandhiji. So according to Gandhiji, what he said in the sense that time, the country in the sense our country, India, for the first time, yes, it's a learning the civil disobedient movement. It's a learning, not movement, no, learning the civil disobedience. What is meant by civil disobedience? In the sense, not at all obeying the government, the police people, they told Gandhiji to leave immediately, but Gandhiji refused to do so. Okay, so that's what they did. In the sense, he was summoned, Gandhiji was summoned for trial. So the news, spread like a wildfire. Thousands of people gathered is in favor of Gandhiji. So according to Gandhiji, the country, our India, for the first time is learning the lesson, a lesson in civil disobedience in the sense, not at all disobeying the government actions. So that is the thing. Then the next one, what is given in the sense, he was assisted by, like that it is given. Who was assisted? Gandhiji. Yes, Gandhiji, supporters of Gandhiji, whoever, in the sense, in your book it is given. Yes, lawyer, one person, Braj Kishore. Yes, Braj Kishore Prasad, a lawyer by profession, and Rajendra Prasad also. Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad, later he became the first president of independent India. Okay, so these they were the supporters. They were the supporters of Gandhiji. So at that time, what happened? The lieutenant governor, formed a committee. Yes, formed a committee. Lieutenant governor formed a committee with Gandhiji as a member. Gandhiji became the member of that committee. Yes, that committee was recommended the abolition of Tinkadiya system. Yes, just before only I said Tinkadiya system, in the sense, what is that? Yes, that European planters forced Indian planters to cultivate indigo on 3/20ths of their land holdings. So that system was abolished. Okay, because of the effort of Gandhiji, thereby ending the oppression of the peasants by the indigo planters. So these are the things are given. Yes, this is the essay answer also, children. So that's what 2 times I told. Braj Kishore, who, in the sense, that person, he was worked as a lawyer. Okay, so and Rajendra Prasad, Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad, he became a first, president of independent India, is it? So those persons were the supporters of Gandhiji. Moreover, those time, lieutenant governor, he appointed one committee. Gandhiji became the member of that committee. Yes, so in that committee, he raised the voice against the Tinkadiya system. Okay, so thereby ending the oppression of the peasants. Peasants in the sense, what is the meaning? Farmers. By the indigo planters. Okay, so these are the things are given. The same, that Champaran Satyagraha, under that Champaran Satyagraha, some more, one more para also it's given. The success of Champaran Satyagraha. Yes, the success of Champaran Satyagraha, followed by his fruitful intervention in also. What is the meaning in the sense? Gandhiji again, he involved a number of strikes. Ahmedabad mill strike in the year 1918, Keda Satyagraha in the year 1918 helped Gandhiji established himself as the mass leader. Okay, otherwise, leader of mass struggle. Unlike so many leaders came before the emergence of Gandhiji, so many leaders came, but after the arrival of Gandhiji, he demonstrated his ability to mobilize, demonstrated in the sense explained. Demonstrated, what is the meaning? He explained his ability to mobilize the common people across the country. Okay, so these are the things are given. So this and all one word answer. Ahmedabad mill strike, which year it was conducted? 1918 it was conducted. For timeline also you can write this one. Okay, then Keda Satyagraha also 1918 you can write. Okay children, yes. Next one, what is given in the sense, Rowlatt Satyagraha. Rowlatt Satyagraha. Satyagraha in the sense you people knows very well, ahimsa, non-violence. Non-violence. So Rowlatt Satyagraha as well as Jallianwala Bagh massacre, otherwise Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Rowlatt Satyagraha. What is that Rowlatt Satyagraha in the sense? In the year 1919, 1919, okay, 1919, the British government passed the act. What was the name of the act? Montagu-Chelmsford Reforms Act. Okay, Montagu, here it is not mentioned children in your book. The Government of India Act, like that it is given. The name of the act was Montagu-Chelmsford Reforms Act. Okay, so it caused disappointment. The people, disappointed over the act because it did not transfer the real power to the Indians. Indians were waited for the that self-government. Okay, they were expected. Okay, they were expected. While while act passed by the British government. Okay, but Indians were disappointed because of the Montagu-Chelmsford Reforms Act, because as per the act it did not transfer the real power to the Indians. So the Rowlatt Act, so that time the British government passed another one act. Name of the act was Rowlatt Act. So Gandhiji, how he considered this act? He has considered the Rowlatt Act as Black Act. Okay, why? What is the reason? Okay, so the Rowlatt Act was enacted in the sense passed, which provided for excessive police powers. Yes, who is getting the more police power in the sense, the British polices. Okay, the British police officers, they were getting more and more police powers. They can arrest the Indians without trial, without warrant. They can arrest the Indians. So that is the Rowlatt Act. Gandhiji, how he described this act in the sense, he described this act as a Black Act. Black Act. And moreover, he conducted number of agitations. He protested in the sense agitated. Protested in the sense, what is the meaning? Agitated. Yes, just before I told, Black Act, like that it is. He described, Gandhiji called it a Black Act. Why? In the sense that the Rowlatt Act, as per the Rowlatt Act, the British officers, they can arrest the Indians without warrant and without trial. Okay, so those things. The next one, what is given in the sense, children? Next one, what is given, Children, listen carefully. Yes, so which day that Satyagraha started, Rowlatt Satyagraha against the Rowlatt's Act in the sense on 6th April 1919 it was started. 6th April 1919 it was started. Then countrywide Hartal was there. Hartal in the sense strike, lockout. Okay, so they were closed. The shopkeepers they were closed. The shops. Yes, so that's a thing. Then it was to be non-violent struggle with fasting and prayer. Yes, fasting. Yes, they did not eat anything. Okay, and moreover prayers are there. It was the earliest. One word answer, it was the Rowlatt Satyagraha. It was the earliest anti-colonial struggle spread across the country. Okay, the Anti-Rowlatt Act was intense in the sense extreme. Where it was extreme? It was extreme in Punjab, especially in Amritsar and Lahore, especially in Amritsar and Lahore. Okay, so Gandhiji was arrested. Yes, Gandhiji was arrested and prevented from visiting Punjab. They did not allow Gandhiji to go to Punjab area. So because Punjab area only that anti Rowlatt Act, it was extreme. In your book it is given intense, like that it is given. Intense means what is the meaning? Extreme. Yes, on 9th April, Gandhiji also was arrested. Okay, on 9th April, what happened in the sense? Two prominent leaders were arrested. Yes, so who are the leaders in the sense? Dr. Satyapal and Saifuddin Kichiliu. Okay, Dr. Saifuddin Kichiliu as well as Dr. Satyapal were arrested in Amritsar. Yes, Amritsar. So those things are given under the Rowlatt Satyagraha. Okay, so once again I am telling. So which year it was passed? In the sense Rowlatt Act, which year it was passed? 1919 it was passed. 1919. Gandhiji, how he described this act as a Rowlatt Act as a black act like that he considered. Is it, children? Yes. So moreover, Gandhiji was arrested by the British officers. Moreover, on 6th April 1919, yes, the countrywide Hartal was started. Yes, the anti-Rowlatt protest. It was extreme. It was extreme in Punjab. Okay, on 9th April, the two prominent leaders were arrested. Whoever in the sense, Dr. Satyapal as well as Saifuddin Kichiliu was arrested. They were arrested in Amritsar. Okay, so in order to, the next para what is given, children, in order to protest against the arrest of, Dr. Saifuddin Kichiliu as well as Satyapal, they were conducted the peaceful meeting. Yes, the Indians were conducted the peaceful meetings at Jallianwala Bagh. Jallianwala Bagh is the name of the place where it is located in the sense. It is located in Amritsar. Amritsar, where it is located in Punjab. Okay, so just before I told Punjab area, it was extreme, like that I said. Is it, children? Yes. So when it was happened, 13th April 1919, a public meeting was arranged at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar. As it happened, so that day, how they were considered Baisakh Day. Yes, what is meant by Baisakh? In the sense that is the harvest festival. Yes, a harvest festival of seeds. Okay, so that time the villagers had assembled. Yes, they were assembled there, thousands of people. Yes, thousands of people, they were gathered in where? Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar. So General Dyer, yes, General Michael O. Dyer, otherwise General Reginald Dyer, on hearing, yes, he came to know about the assemblage. Okay, he surrounded the place with his troops. So he came with his troops and an armored vehicle. Okay, and with his vehicle. The park, that Jallianwala Bagh, that's the name of the place, like that I said. Actually, that was a park. Okay, so in that park only they had gathered the people, more than thousands people, thousands of people, they were gathered. Okay, the park had only one entrance. Okay, so very small and narrow is the entrance. Okay. Yes, the entrance, that it was surrounded on all sides by high walls are there. Yes, easily no one can escape from that area. Okay, so such appearance, high walls are there, high walls was blocked, and firing took place without any warning. These people, Reginald Dyer, without warning, yes, he fired the people. The firing lasted nearly for 10 minutes till the troops ran out of ammunition in the sense, that bullets, okay, those things, arms, weapons. According to the official report, how many people killed in the sense of 379 people were killed and more than thousands of them, injured. Yes, unofficial estimates put the toll at more than 1,000. Okay, 1,000 like that they are telling. After the incident, which incident? Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Okay, so the 379 people were killed in that time. Okay, thousands of people they got injured. Okay, yes, after the incident, martial law in the sense military law was declared, and many people in the Punjab, especially Amritsar, were flogged. What is mean by flogged in the sense? Beat with a stick. Okay, the British people, they were beaten the Indians with a stick. That is a flog. Yes, flog meaning is beaten with a stick. Beat with a stick. That's a meaning. And forced to crawl on the street like a child. They have to crawl on the streets. Okay, so by seeing this brutality, yes, the brutality enraged Indians. Okay, the brutality enraged Indians. So that's what happened in the sense. Enraged Indians. Enraged in the sense they got much angry. Yes, enraged, very much angry. Yes, very much angry. Yes, Rabindranath Tagore, what he did in the sense, he renounced his title. Okay, Sir Rabindranath Tagore, like that they used to call before that. Yes, this person, he renounced his title, Sir. Okay, knighthood, like that it is given. Sir Pattathai Turandar, that's the meaning. Then Gandhiji also surrendered his Heiser-i-Hind medal. Okay, Gandhiji also renounced, what is the meaning? Neglected, give it back. Okay, so that's the meaning, Heiser-i-Hind medal. Okay, so these are the things are given under that General Dyer's brutality. Yes, so which month it was happened in the sense 13th April 1919 it was conducted, it was happened. Moreover, in order to protest against the arrest of Dr. Satyapal and Saifuddin Kichiliu, okay, the nearly more than thousands of people gathered. Yes, they were gathered in Amritsar in the sense, in the especially in the Jallianwala Bagh Park. Okay, the park had a only one entrance, and high walls are there, high walls blocked, like that it is given. Is it no one can escape? This man, General Dyer, he came with his troops, he ordered them to shoot in the Indians. 379 people they were died in that. More than thousands of people, they got injury, like that they are telling. Okay, so in order to protest against the General Dyer's activity, is Rabindranath Tagore renounced his title, renounced his knighthood. At the same time, Gandhiji also surrendered his Heiser-i-Hind medal. Okay. Then next, what is given in the sense? Khilafat movement. Khilafat movement, what is that in the sense? In the introduction time I told, I think so. Khilafat movement in the sense which was started by Ali brothers. Ali brothers, who are they in the sense? Muhammad Ali and Chaugat Ali. So, First World War. Yes, First World War, when it was completed? 1918 it was completed. You know very well. Yes, who got a defeat? Yes, Germany got a defeat. In the side of Germany only, who was there? Turkey was there. Okay, so the First World War came to an end in the year 1918. The Caliph of Turkey. What is mean by Caliph? In the sense, the religious head of Muslims. Religious head of the Muslims. So that is Caliph. This person, just here it is given. See, Caliph in the sense he was considered as the head of the Muslims of the world. So religious head, like that I said, now head of Muslims. of the world. So this person was given a harsh treatment. Okay, so he was humiliated. Who was humiliated? Caliph of Turkey was humiliated. Yes, by the from the hands of the victorious nations. So, in order to protest against that, the Ali brothers started the Khilafat movement. Yes, whomever was responsible in the sense Maulana Muhammad Ali and Maulana Chowgar Ali. Yes, both people. Yes, who supported this movement in the sense Gandhiji supported. Yes, Gandhiji supported this movement as well as he saw. Yes, he was waiting. Yes, who was waiting? Gandhiji was waiting for the opportunity to unite. Yes, to unite Hindus and Muslims. That's what he supported the Khilafat movement, which was started by Ali brothers. He presided in the sense he conducted. Yes, presided, what is the meaning, children? He conducted over the all India Khilafat conference held at Delhi. Okay, so onward answer, children. Gandhiji conducted the meetings over the all India Khilafat conference held at Delhi in November month 1919. Moreover, Gandhiji supported Chaugat Ali's proposals of three national slogans. Yes, Allahu Akbar, Bande Madaram, and Hindu Musalman ki Jai. Hindu Musalman ki Jai. So these three slogans which was prepared by Chaugat Ali. So this proposal, so who supported? Gandhiji supported. Okay, Gandhiji supported Chaugat Ali's proposals, that is Allahu Akbar, Bande Madaram, and Hindu Musalman ki Jai. Hindu Musalman ki, in the sense, what is that? Hindu Muslims Jai, like that. That proposal he agreed. Gandhiji supported. The Khilafat committee meeting in Allahabad on June 9, it was conducted. Okay, in the year 9th June 1920, adopted Gandhiji's non-violent non-cooperation program. So here, the Khilafat committee meeting in Allahabad, it was conducted on 9th June 1920. It was conducted. In that, Gandhiji's non-violent non-cooperation program also they were supported. So non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation in the sense not at all cooperating the British actions, British government. Non-cooperation movement was started on 1st August 1st, 1920. In the next class, we will learn about that non-cooperation movement and its failure, why it was failed, everything we will learn. Is it under that non-cooperation movement? 8.3 it is given, children. Yes, so 8.2 you may understand, I think so. Okay, so learn when you are getting the time, you have to learn portions. I am telling, children, portions, because next week I heard you are going to write the test. Okay, what are the portions I am telling? You can mark it. History part, second lesson and third lesson, then 6th and 7th lesson. So totally 4 lessons. Once again I am telling, history part, portions for the exam I am telling, portions for the test I am telling. History part, second lesson and third lesson, and 6th and 7th lesson. Okay, then civics part, third and fourth lesson. So totally 6 lessons are there. 6 lessons are there, children. Okay, learn. Okay, when you are getting time, you have to sit and learn. Give equal importance to all the subjects. Okay, then only you can achieve the mark. Okay, out of 500 you can take above 450, 480. Okay, yes. So now we can mark the question answers. Before that, pattern, fill ups 5 marks, choose the best answer 5 marks, match the following 5 mark, 2 marks. Okay, 3 2 marks I asked, 6 mark, 1 essay 4 mark. Likewise, we prepared the question paper. Okay, So now you can mark the question answers, fill in the blanks as well as choose the best answer. In the next class we can mark. In this class you can mark only the Roman letter 5 and 6. Whatever I completed, from that I am going to make you to mark. 5-1 answer Jallianwala Bagh massacre, as well as second answer Khilafat movement also. Page number 91 is there answers. You can write it, both answers page number 91 only. Both answers page number 91. You can take it. First one, General Tyers brutality para. General Tyers brutality para. First line onwards, on 13th April 1919, like that it is given now. From that line onwards, 5-1 till 15 or 16 lines after 1000, like that it is given. More than 1000, more than 1000. Otherwise you can check it from the last line. From the last line, 7 lines before, I think so, 7 or 8 lines before, more than 1000, till that 5-1. The next one, Khilafat movement. Khilafat movement, 5-2, first line onwards, 5-2 till 10 or 11th line, I think so, 10 or 11th line or 12th line, in November 1919, till that you have to mark. All India Khilafat conference held at Delhi in November 1919, 5-2. Okay. Next one, Roman letter 6, page number 90. Page number 90. Page number 90, you can take it, children. Page number 90. First para you can check in. On returning to India, like that one para is started, no? Yes. So that para, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Fifth line, Gandhiji alone, you mark it. Gandhiji. Next line, Gandhiji, you marked, no? Left for South Africa. Till the end of that para, determined to fight. Till the end of that para, first para, determined to fight. Then second para, Gandhiji called a meeting. First 3 lines alone. First 3 lines alone. Then the same second para, last line alone. He launched a struggle against such unjust laws. He launched a struggle against such unjust laws. Then third para, from the lost, 6th line, inspired by Ruskin. Inspired by Ruskin, till the end of the third para, Satyagrahis. Then 8.2. 8.2. First line onwards till last before 4th line, people, conditions of the people. Then under the Chambran Satyagraha para, first line onwards, 5th line till 5th line, land holdings. Then after that, one picture is there, no? Chambran Satyagraha, like that one picture is there, no? Yes, above the picture, second line. Above the picture, second line, Rajkumar Shukla onwards. Rajkumar Shukla onwards. Page number 91. Support of Gandhiji. Swarmed in the sense moved the place in support of Gandhiji. Then next para, the success of Chambran Satyagraha onwards. That para end. People across the country, common people across the country. 6-1. 6-1. Completed, children? This much only, 6-1. Okay, point by point you have to write. While writing the exams also, match the following. Should not connect with the help of the pen. Should not connect the answers with the help of the pencil. Okay, match the following, I am telling. When you are writing, match the following. Should not connect the answers by using the pencil. Answers, should be straight. Question, answer. Question, answer. Likewise, you have to write, match the following. Otherwise, we will cut this time. We never ever give mark. Okay, then point by point essay, while writing essay, point by point, while writing 2 mark, point by point only how to write, point by point only how to write. Majority of the children, on the day, the last month when I am correcting the papers, that question and answers written, fill in the blanks, choose the best answer and all. Question and answer, who asked you to write the questions? Need not write the question in those areas. Answer alone need to write. Match the following alone, question and answer how to write. 2 marks, heading alone how to write. Heading in the sense, what is that in the sense? For example, regarding Champaran Satyagraha you are writing. Okay, so you have to write the heading, Champaran Satyagraha. Under that, what are the points are there? Alone you have to write. You should not write full questions. Okay, then point by point you have to write. Underline your answers and then submit it this time. Okay, then moreover, on the day while correcting, we found out majority of them, they were copied. They were copied with the help of the book, I think so. Please avoid that. Okay, if you don't know the answer, study and then write it. Okay, children, thank you. Moreover, children, homework, the I told, the